Hi everyone, I'm Kim Tischler, Mohonk Preserve Educator. Welcome to Nature Nuggets. Today's nugget is a memory match game featuring my son Soren.
Playing memory games can help both children and adults develop focus, memory, and recognition skills. Remember what's in each of the tins and match the objects to win. For this nugget, we made the classic game of memory more interesting by using real items from nature. Collecting the items inspires time in the outdoors and adds sensory and nature identification components. You will need 2 of each item in order to make a match, so keep that in mind during your nature hunt. We used a muffin tin as the game board, but there are a lot of items that you can use as your game board, a collection of small boxes, for example. We found some small cups around the house, so we use those for
All right, ready?
lids.
Start putting the tops on.
But you can upcycle items from your recycling bin and make your own lids with cut cardboard or other
All right,
materials.
and ready? Spin it. What? Acorn top. Rock.
Acorn top.
Ooh, should be.
Was it there?
I don't know.
It was there. Right? No, it was there. Oh my god.
Acorn
No.
top. All right, your turn. I think we're gonna tie.
Oh yeah, we're good. Tie again.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this nugget. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. See you next time.